The AECOJOY 6' by 6' metal shed is designed with lockable doors, providing a secure storage solution for your garden, backyard, or patio. Setting up this shed is a breeze, thanks to the detailed manuals, user-friendly guide, and step-by-step video tutorials, with remote assistance available from AECOJOY's expert technical team. With a spacious 36 square foot footprint, this shed offers ample room to accommodate various outdoor equipment, making it an ideal storage solution for multiple items. The shed's enhanced metal plates and weight of 110 pounds ensure superior stability and resilience, capable of withstanding severe weather conditions with wind resistance up to 70 miles per hour. A galvanized coating protects the shed from rust, oxidation, and moisture, ensuring your items remain safe from the elements. AECOJOY stands by its product with a 1-year warranty and lifelong customer service available around the clock, offering peace of mind to shed owners.